Welcome back to Pantastic Friday here on the Now Morning Show. We continue with more Pan action. And we started the second segment off with none other than Birdsong Steel Orchestra. And with me, I've got the chairman of the board of Birdsong and Mr. Professor, I should say, Clement Imber. Good morning to you, sir.
Morning, morning.
I hope you're enjoying the Pan action so far.
Yes, of course, and morning to all the viewers in Toronto, Tobago.
Now, I've heard that Birdsong has been quite active during the pandemic. I know many bands have suffered throughout the pandemic. Tell us what Birdsong has been doing in that period.
Well, Birdsong has an academy which we started about 16 years ago, and we have been very active, of course. With the pandemic, everybody had to go online, so Birdsong being the very progressive orchestra it is, we also went online with our music program.
Very good.
We have been, of course, curtailed with actual practice on the instruments, but I mean, we are one of the bands that have been able to keep active in one particular sphere.
And has the academy been able to grow since, or how has that been going?
No, unfortunately. When we first started, we said we'd accommodate 100 students. We used to get 250 applicants, and people used to be begging to come.
Oh, but
the pandemic has slowed down everything.
Yeah, everything.
Of course. And because people couldn't for a long time come on the actual instruments, it really affected our attendance.
Because this is you have to be playing the pan as well.
Yeah, it's a very practical thing.
Exactly,
you can't learn to swim unless you're going to swim.
Well, that's right, yeah, that's exactly it.
You know, there are apps there where you can practice,
and
but I mean the actual instrument. Yeah.
Right. And there's also a show that's coming up this weekend, as I understand.
That is correct. Yeah, there's a show at Little Carib on Saturday and Sunday called Sigu. Yeah, it's a French word. Well, you know, I'm a Frenchman, so I like that word.
Of course.
Sigu. It follows. Unfortunately, there are many other things happening on Saturday.
Yes.
But it's going to be a different event. So we invite people to really patronize the shows.
Of course.
On Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, great. So fantastic. We've got some real pan action happening this weekend.
Yeah.
So, of course, the national instrument of Trinidad and Tobago. It's happening right here on the Now Morning program. Thank you so much, Professor Imber, for this. Take you to Birdsong Steel Orchestra.